Welcome back, folks, to Anarchy Archery. Today we're going to look at an item that I think pertains to archery. We have the Champion Sports measuring tape. It's 100 feet, 30 meters. It's an open reel type tape and professional measure. We're going to check out what that actually means in just a moment.
So, why measuring tape? Well, in the sport of archery, we are required to shoot at different distances depending on our discipline and the competition. Bow hunting, for example, targets pop up whenever, wherever. Olympic recurve, that's 18 meters. 3D and field archery at different distances. You got to know your feet and you got to know your meters. I had a small measuring tape before. This is 100 feet or 30 meters. I got this on Amazon for $14 Canadian. We're gonna break into it and see how exactly how the quality is, and see how accurate it is. All right. All right. Let's break this open, shall we? Cool. All right, there you have it. Champion Sports measuring tape off of Amazon, $14 Canadian. There's the handle. Oh. Here's the little turning handle for the tape, the actual tape itself. Plastic, but it feels durable. You know, I thought it was going to be more flimsy than this. Yeah, those are the inches there for your feet. And then on the opposite side, there's the metric. There's the centimeters, meters. That's neat. Sweet. All right, just like that. All right, let's go measure some things, eh?
All right, we're about to test drive the Champion Sports Professional Measuring Tape. Check it out. All right, our first. Damned. 4 meters is here. Huh. All right, let's take out the other distance. So from there to around there. Let's see what's going on there. I have marked it out randomly, just using my own feet. Okay. I know there's a little latch right there. All right. Yeah, I did a guesstimate down here. Nothing serious. All right, keep it going. Keep it going. All to the end here. Straighten her up. All right. Oh. All right. Closest meter is 6 meters. That's about. Yeah, cool. 6 meters. Okay, I didn't realize there was about 5 around here, so 6. And then we have 5. Ooh, I was close. I was pretty damn close for my guesstimate. Okay, cool. Well, there you go. From the wash tub all the way to this, like, kind of post here. So 5 meters. 6 meters. And I get all the way to this shelving unit. 7 meters. Right at the edge of the carpet right there. 7 meters. Cool. Well, there you have it, folks. This measuring tape did its job. I recommend it. I got it from Amazon for about $14 Canadian. If you're serious about archery, I recommend getting a good meter tape or feet tape, lots of it. Yeah, this is pretty inexpensive, pretty decent quality, and it gets the job done. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you're interested in more more gear or more adventures, subscribe to Anarchy Archery, like this video, and have yourself a nice day. Hope you guys are shooting straight and staying safe.